Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest accessories for iPhone users out there, the Casely PowerPod MagSafe battery pack. If you're looking to supercharge your iPhone experience, stick around because we've got all the details you need. Let's kick things off by saying, if you're on the lookout for the best MagSafe compatible battery pack for your iPhone, you've landed in the right place. The Casely PowerPod packs a punch with its sleek design and efficient charging capabilities, making it a must-have for anyone who's always on the move. Now, what sets the Casely PowerPod apart? It's not just about looks, though. That 0.5-inch thin profile and vibrant purple color definitely catch the eye. This power pack is all about functionality. The super strong magnetic connection ensures your iPhone stays securely attached while charging, which is a game changer for convenience. Plus, don't let its slim profile fool you. With a 5000 mAh battery capacity, you're getting ample power to keep your iPhone juiced up throughout the day. And here's the kicker. Casely's mini cell technology manages to pack all this power into a compact size without compromising on performance. It's a win-win. Testing out the Casely PowerPod, I found it to be incredibly easy to use. The magnetic alignment is spot on, snapping into place effortlessly when you bring it close to your iPhone. This not only ensures a stable charge but also allows you to continue using your phone comfortably in both portrait and landscape modes. Charging speed is another highlight. With support for up to 15W charging, your iPhone will be back to 100% in no time. Whether you're streaming videos, taking calls, or snapping selfies, the Casely PowerPod keeps up with your busy lifestyle without skipping a beat. Quality-wise, Casely doesn't disappoint. The PowerPod is drop test certified and features an anti-scratch UV coating to keep it looking fresh even after months of use. Plus, it comes with a worry-free 12-month warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. It's also worth noting that Casely is a small business brand, so by choosing the PowerPod, you're supporting independent entrepreneurs. Hip, a nice bonus to consider. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a reliable MagSafe compatible battery pack that combines style with substance, look no further than the Casely PowerPod. Its magnetic strength, compact design, and robust charging capabilities make it a standout choice for iPhone users who need reliable power on the go. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.